students. A very good morning to all. How are you doing? Good or bad? I hope you are good, isn't? Okay, so welcome back to your English class. So are you happy, students? Are you happy? Is that no? I hope you are happy, Sinma. Okay, so what you want to do? Yeah, you want to enjoy your subject and you want to listen the class, okay? So, have you got your book, ma? Have you got your book? Is that no? So, somebody will get, somebody can buy the book, somebody didn't buy it. Okay, so no problem, okay? So, you just listen me. Okay, in the previous, in the previous 4 class, we have learnt lesson 1 that means in new pathway, is it? So lesson 1 from new pathway book. So do you know for us how many book we are using for English? Do you know? Yes, you know, isn't so in the previous year also you may use 4 books, isn't ma? Yes? Yes. So one book is new pathway and other book is grammar, isn't? Yeah, grammar. And the third book is echo and fourth is your cashier writing, isn't ma? Yes or no? Yes, like that only in this year also we are going to handle, okay? So in last class we have learnt one story from new pathways. So 2 books will explain a story, isn't ma? So what other book will explain a story? Yeah, new pathway, okay? So in the new pathway also we can learn many stories and in the echo, isn't? Yeah, echo book also there will be many stories. And in grammar book we can learn many grammars, isn't? So cashier writing, that is your handwriting. You want to write a handwriting very neatly, isn't ma? Yes, so in the last class we have finished lesson 1 from new pathway, isn't? So today we are going to learn grammar, okay ma? So those who have your book, you please keep your book with you. Today you don't want to open your book, okay? Just I am giving one introduction about grammar. Okay ma? So listen. So in the grammar, your first lesson is noun, okay? So grammar, your first lesson is noun, okay? So do you know what is mean by noun, ma? What is mean by noun? Have you studied in previous year? Noun? Yes, you may study it. Same. Noun is also called. Yeah, noun is a naming word, is it? It is also called as an very good naming word, okay? Noun is also called as an naming word, okay? So first we can study the definition, okay ma? First we can study the definition of noun, okay? So noun is a word. Listen students. Noun is a word. Okay, noun is a word we use to name person, place, things, etc. Okay ma? Etc. Animals, etc. Okay ma? So animals. So listen, this is a definition of noun, okay? So noun is a word, okay? Noun is a word we use to name, okay? We use to name person, place, things, animals, etc. Okay? So if anybody is giving one sentence, so in the sentence if there is any name or any place or anything, okay? So we can call it as a noun, okay? So now I am giving just 3 examples from person, place and things, okay ma? So first we can see examples, okay? First we can see example from person. Person, okay? So person means you know, isn't ma? So can you give some examples of person? Can you give some examples of person? Yes? Okay. Children, men, your name, okay, Abhisha, Raja, these and all, yeah, example of person. That means this and all persons, okay, noun of person, okay ma. Next after person, yeah, place. So can you say some examples of place? Yeah, Chennai. Which is our country ma? Yeah, India. Next. School, playground, etc. Okay, so these and all, yeah, examples of place. Okay, so here, listen here. Then also I am giving many examples for place. Chennai, India. Okay, so school, playground, hospital. Okay, ma, have you understood? Okay, so these and all, yeah, example of place. That means noun of place, isn't ma? Okay, so next things. Can you see some of the examples of things? Things. Table, pen, pencil. Okay, so etc. These are the, yeah, examples of things. Is in chair, okay, chair, television, mobile. You know, as in if any sentence are giving, you know which is one, which is the name of person, which is the name of thing, isn't ma? So in the sentence, if there is a, okay, place, if any sentence, that means any word that is mentioning place or person or things or animals, we will call them as a noun, okay? So noun is a naming word. Have you understood ma? Okay, so next, animals. Say some examples of animals. Say some animals name ma. That is the examples of animals. Yes, dog, cat, snake, okay? So etc. So these and all names of animals, okay? So these everything only, okay, nouns, okay? So person. If you say some persons, you can say you also one person only, isn't ma? So what is your name? If your name is Rama, yeah, you can write in it Rama. So that is also one of the noun. Okay, so persons, children, men, women. Okay, ma. Next, teacher, doctor, okay, engineer. These and the, yeah, noun of person. Okay. Next, place. Place means you know, is it? Yeah, Chennai. Next, okay, Nagarkovil, India. Next, school, playground, hospital. These and that indicates one place, isn't? I goes to Chennai. Okay, so Chennai is one of the places, isn't? So that is the noun. Noun of place. Okay, ma. Next, things. Things means you know, isn't? Table, chair, television, mobile, etc. These and that things. Okay, so I saw a television. Here, which is an noun? I saw a television. Yeah, television is a noun, isn't? Because it indicates the thing or things. Okay, so that television is a noun. Okay, have you understood, ma? Next, animals. So dog, cat, okay, lion, tiger, elephant. These and all noun of animal. Okay, animal's name. So these everything only we call them as a noun. Okay. Have you understood, ma? So once again listen the definition. Noun is a word we use to name person, place, things, animals, etc. Okay. Noun is a word we use to name person, place, things, animals, etc. Okay. So another one important point, we always use this noun to write and to talk. Okay, ma? We always use this noun to write and to talk. Suppose, see, I am giving one example. What are you doing? Okay, your doing is one of the noun. Okay, where are you going? Next, I went to Chennai. You are saying I went to Chennai. Okay, so that which is the noun? Yeah, Chennai is the noun. Okay, ma? Okay, so now I am giving some of the sentence. Okay, now I am giving some of the sentence. You want to underline. Okay, you want to say in this sentence how many nouns are there. Okay, you want to say how many nouns are there. Okay, So the first sentence is, you must see a doctor. You must see a doctor. Okay. So students, just you say in this sentence, which is the noun here, you must see a doctor. Here, which is the noun? Yeah, good. Doctor is the noun, is it? So this doctor indicates a person, isn't ma'am? Yeah, so this is a noun. So next, second sentence. I could not go to school. I could not go to school. Okay. So can you say in this, which is the noun here? I could not go to school. Whether this is the noun? No, see? So this is the noun? No. Yeah, last. School is the noun. Why, ma? Why school is the noun? Yeah, because it indicates a place, is it? Yeah, because it indicates a place. So this is the noun. Okay, so in every sentence there will be one or two nouns. Okay, so okay, so in one sentence we can find one or two noun. Okay, so noun will be in first or noun will be in last. Okay, ma. So in the third sentence, this plant comes from a tropical land. Okay, tropical land, LAND. Okay, this plant comes from a tropical land. So can you say here which is the noun? Yeah, this plant is a noun. Why? Yeah, it indicates a thing, isn't ma? Okay, it indicates a thing. Okay, so here plant is a noun. So first doctor. Doctor is a noun. Doctor indicates a person. And the second one, school is a noun. School indicates a place. Okay. And the third one, plant is a noun. Because plant indicates a thing. Isn't ma? Okay, next fourth sentence. My school has a big playground. My school has a big playground. Okay, my school has a big playground. So here, say, which is the noun here? Whether my is the noun? No, since so whether school is a noun? Yeah, school is a noun because yeah, it indicates it indicates yes, correct, place, is it? Yeah, place. Has a big playground. Okay, has a big playground. Here which is a noun? Whether any nouns are there? Yeah, last playground is also a noun. So it also indicates a place, isn't it? It also indicates a place. Okay, so have you understood? And the last, okay, last sentence. I love dogs, but I hate cats. Okay, ma, I love dogs, but I hate cats. Okay, so here, how many nouns are there? Yeah, there is two nouns, is it? So dog is also a one noun, and last, cat is also a one noun. So here dog indicates dog is an animal, is it? So indicates an animal noun. Okay, here also cat also is an animal. So it indicates a name, is it? Yeah, animal's name. Sorry, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, okay? Animal's name. So have you understood? Have you understood now? What is noun? So in the sentence, okay, in every sentence noun will be there. sometimes in one sentence there will be 2 or 3 nouns. Okay, sometimes in one sentence there will be one noun. Okay, so what is the definition? Once again say the definition, ma. Yeah, noun is a word be used to name person, place, things, animals, etc. Okay, so noun is otherwise called as, yeah, naming word. Okay, noun is otherwise called as naming word. Okay, so these and all examples for person, place, things and animals. Have you understood? So for persons you can say teacher, children, men, okay, doctor, etc. For place you can say Chennai, India, school, playground, hospital, theater. Okay, so this and all you can say. Next, things. For things you can say, yeah, table, pen, pencil, mobile, television. You know what is the thing, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. So that and all are nouns. Okay. For animals, you can list some of the animals' name. That means dog, cat, snake, tiger, lion, etc. Okay, ma. So I have given some of the sentence. I hope you may understood what is meant by noun. Isn't? Okay. So this is one of the introduction. Okay. So in the next class also we can continue the topic noun. Okay, ma. Next class also we can continue the topic noun. So now, okay, I will give some of the homeworks to you. Okay, I will send to WhatsApp group. You want to write that homework in a homework booklet, English homework booklet. Okay, so I will send it in the group and I will mention it in the group. Okay, so you want to write it on the homework booklet. So what you want to do? You want to see that homework and please complete it soon. Okay, ma. Okay. So have you understood? Okay, I hope you have understood, is it? Okay, so shall we enter our class? Okay, students, we can enter our class. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the interactive section. Okay? Okay, so be happy with your family. Be safe with your family, okay? Don't go unnecessary out. Okay, so enjoy the day, students. Thank you.